See this question, children. It is really an interesting question from the unit equilibrium, right? Okay, so we are asked to calculate the pH of a solution. Okay, we are given with pKa and pKb. What is pKa and what is pKb? pKa is nothing but your weak acid and pKb is your weak base, right? Okay, so to calculate the pH when you have weak acid and weak base, so the formula is going to be 7 plus half into pKa minus pKb. So 7 plus half into pKa is given as 4.77, right? 4.77 minus pKb is given as 3.27. Okay, so if you subtract these two, you will get 7 plus half into 1.5. So if you cancel this, you will get 0.75. Hence, the pH is going to be 7 plus 0.75 will be 7.75. Hence, your option is D, right? So it is from the unit equilibrium and we are asked to calculate the value of K for this reaction. In the reaction, K value and we are provided with two equations, K1 and K2. Okay, so first we will write K1. So we will write Kc for the first equation. Okay, K1 which is equal to concentration of your product divided by concentration of your reactant, right? And similarly for your K2 it is going to be concentration of X par 2 into concentration of B par 2 into concentration of C. And we are asked to calculate the rate constant, that is K, for this equation. In the equation K concentration of X divided by concentration of A into concentration of B power half. Okay, so to bring this from these two, in the renda use panni, we have to bring this K, right? So what can we do? See, inga X irukku, here also you have X, but here inga eppadi irukku, square irukku, that is double the time irukku. Okay, and also you have B square here, you have root of B is here, and inga enna irukku, B vandu numerator la irukku. So by seeing this, what can we do அப்படினா, we can take root of K1. Root of K1 will be concentration of B power half and concentration of C power half divided by concentration of A. Parallelly for K2 kennan varum, concentration of X divided by concentration of B into concentration of C power half, right? By multiplying this root of K1 and K2, will we get root K அப்படினு பாப்போம். Okay, K1 root of K1 root of K2 multiply பண்றப்போ whether we are getting K அப்படினு பாப்போம், right? Obviously we will get எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? So root of K1 is nothing but your concentration of B power half and concentration of C power half, and in denominator you will have concentration of A into K2 is nothing but your concentration of X divided by concentration of B into concentration of C power half. So in the C power half cancel, right? In the B la enna irukum, half irukum, that is root of concentration of B power half. Idula idu cancel aidum. So you will be having concentration of X divided by concentration of A is here. Okay, and also you have concentration of B power half, which is nothing but your concentration of X and the concentration of A in your denominator and concentration of B power half in your denominator, right? So we have got a relation between these two, right? Okay, enna relation kedachirukku, root of K1 into root of K2 which is equal to K. Already we have the value of K1 is 16. Appa enna pannalam, root of 16 into root of 25 which is equal to K. So root of 16 is nothing but your 4, root of 25 is 5 which is equal to K, so that is 20. The value of K is 20. Your option is A, right? In this question, we are given with three elements, right? A, B and C. Okay, the oxidation number of A and B and C is also given. Okay, so we are asked to find the formula of the compound. நமக்கு தெரியும் formula of the compound வேணும் அப்படினா அந்த valencies எல்லாத்தையுமே ஆட் பண்ணி sum பண்றப்ப நமக்கு என்ன வரணும்? It must be 0. Okay, if you work on it, I am going with option B because option B is correct. Okay, so option B la A3 இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா? Okay, so value of 3 into A, oxidation state of A is 2 plus we have a square bracket because B U C U inga irukku. B oda oxidation status 5, right? plus you have 4 times of C. Okay, அதை நான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டேன். Oxidation state of C is -2. Okay, the whole times 2, right? So 3 into 2, 6 plus 5 plus -8 இல்லையா into 2. Okay, so 6 plus -3 into 2, which is 6 minus 6 will be 0. Hence, the formula is going to be B, right? See this question, children. In this question, we are asked to find the relation for a reaction to be spontaneous. ஒரு reaction spontaneous ஆ இருக்கணும்னா என்ன கண்டிஷன்ல நடக்கும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So, the initial value must be positive and also the K value must be greater than 1. Hence, your option is going to be C, right? See this question. This question is from the unit electrochemistry and from the law Faraday's law. இல்லையா? Okay. So, we are asked to calculate the amount of aluminum deposited when 1.2 Faraday of electricity is passed. Okay, நம்ம 1.2 Faraday electricity pass பண்றப்போ எவ்வளோ amount of aluminum, எவ்வளோ weight of aluminum நமக்கு deposit ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லி calculate பண்ண சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, and என்ன assume பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா efficiency is given as 100%, right? Okay, so we know from this another Al 3 plus 3 electrons will be your Al, right? Okay, so 1 mole aluminum நம்ம deposit பண்றதுக்கு we need 3 Faraday, right? We need a 3 Faraday, right? Okay, 1 mole aluminum நம்ம deposit பண்றதுக்கு we need a 3 Faraday. 3 Faraday நமக்கு தேவைப்படுது. அப்போ 1.2 Faraday நம்ம டெபாசிட் பண்ணோம்னா 1.2 divided by 3 into weight of aluminum is 27. So if you will get 9. So 9 into 1.2 will be 10.8 grams, right? 10.8 grams. Your option D, right?